Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Microsoft Edge on your MacBook. So first, open any browser you prefer, like Safari or Google Chrome, but in this video, I'll be using Safari. In the search bar, type Microsoft Edge download and hit enter. Make sure that you click the official Microsoft website. You don't download it from random sites, or it might not install properly. Once you're on the site, click the download button. It should automatically detect that you're on a Mac. After it's done downloading, press the download icon on the top right corner of your browser and click on the DMG file. Once this window appears, just drag Microsoft Edge to the Applications folder. Once you're done, close the tabs and go to Finder, then Applications, and open Microsoft Edge. Then, if a pop-up or a warning like this shows, just press Open. Just wait for it to load, and Microsoft Edge will show you its opening window, where you'll sign in. And now you can use it as a browser on your MacBook. That's how to download and install Microsoft Edge on your Mac. Super quick and easy. If this tutorial helped you, give us a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.